This is Johnny Mac's wife, and I guess they're going to take my brand new Subaru we got this past fall and see if they can get it stuck in the yard. And it's my job to record the fun.
Crash Gordon. Hi, baby.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Johnny.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
See you later. We're going to the top. It's touching there. Oh.
Alright, so the water is no longer coming into the backyard. I don't know. Why does that look really dark? It is really dark. Alrighty, so yeah, the water is no longer going into the backyard. The level has dropped because a ginormous river has formed. And the water is flowing out of here. So once me and Sal came back here and poked around a little bit, it really started to open, and the water keeps dropping in the swamp. And yeah, now it's not going into the yard anymore, so we're sitting in good shape. The wall of Johnny is holding. Stay tuned. Oh, Willow, oh yeah.
You're on the wrong side of the river, pups. Come here.
We don't take kindly like people like you.
Walk here. You look cold. Come on.
Come on, Willow.
Oh.
Sal's gonna save the day again. That breeze is warm as shit. Nicely done, Sal. There ain't nobody on the planet that can beat you if you can get through 6 inches of snow, dog turds, and looks like a headless Barbie doll. Nobody that can beat you, buddy. Give it all. You got it. Oh, he made it. Like a boss. Victory lap. Victory lap. Oh, wheelies too. He's off the chains.
Can I try?
No, thank you. Well done, Sal. You are the champion.
No.
Well, here we are. The water level has dropped in the woods. There's no water in the yard, except for maybe like this little tiny bit right here. Yeah, a little bit over there. The river back there is still flowing and getting rid of the water. The water is no longer coming in over there. The yard is water and snow free. No water running into the drain. So, looks like we're in good shape now. I'd like to thank Sal for coming over. Looks like we're in excellent shape now. So again, I'd like to thank Sal for coming over. Once again, he's always helping out, putting in work, getting the job done yet again. But it worked out good. We were able to get everything taken care of. Had a little fun yesterday. We might be out of the water now. We might not have to worry about a flood this year. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thanks for keeping us in your thoughts and prayers. On to the next adventure.
Oh, that's not it. How do I turn it around?